Good day, everyone. Learn how to add checkboxes in Google Sheets. So open Google Sheets and select the cells where you want the checkbox, the tick box. So I'll select it. Let's say I want these. And then we will go to insert and we just have to select tick box, which is checkbox. And here we go. So now we have successfully inserted the tick box, the checkbox. By any chance, if you want to remove it, just select it, go to insert and click on tick box. And you can also delete like this. So this is how you can add checkboxes, tick boxes in Google Sheets. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.